Hi friends, welcome to YumVegCooking, and today we are making the very delicious Fattoush salad. As you might know, we are doing a weekly series of Mediterranean recipes this week, and we've already done the hummus recipe. If you have not watched it, I will link it in the description box below. Please watch it, and now let's cook the Fattoush salad. Now this is a very easy salad, and I also call this a lazy salad because we don't have to do much in this. So first I've cut cucumber cubes, and next I'll also cut one tomato into cubes. So I'm just dicing it into cubes. So this salad needs 3 ingredients for the veggies and 3 ingredients for the dressing. Next I'm cutting lettuce cubes. So you can take any lettuce and just cut it into cubes. And next we'll mix it all together. You can put 1 cucumber, 1 tomato and a lot of lettuce, or you can add more veggies, but I just like it simple like this. Next, let's make the dressing. So I'm taking 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'll add some lemon juice to it, so like 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Also adding 2 tablespoons of tahini paste. In Mediterranean cuisine, this is very important to add tahini paste, and just giving it a nice mix. And then lastly, I'll add some salt so that it just balances out the flavors. And then just mixing it nicely. I'll put the dressing on the salad, and this delicious salad is ready to eat. Do check out our different recipes this week. We are showing you how to make falafel balls, the original homemade hummus, fattoush salad, and yogurt tahini dip. So keep watching and keep enjoying our recipes. If you like this one, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.